Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5140P. It's a 2016 Ford Transit T-150 cargo van with only 72K. Van's in super nice shape. These ones come from our local telecoms company. So as far as work goes, it's pretty light duty work. And they're also very, very well equipped. Nice bulkheads in them, nice shelving, removable parts bins, storage hooks. It's got a weather guard ladder rack up top as well, which is capable of housing 2 separate ladders. It's got a hitch on the back as well as 4-pin and 7-pin wiring. And shelving both drivers and passenger side. You got that solid floor in there to make it nice and easy to slide materials in and out. And there's also a heater back here as well. Conduit carrier up top. These are set up really well for, again, telecoms companies or electrical contracting companies, but plumbing and heating companies, any sort of general contracting can also make great use out of a van like this. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt, and cruise as well. Again, super nicely outfitted van. Something like this would make a great addition to anybody's contracting fleet. In stock number 5140, a 2016 Ford Transit cargo van.